blending in moisturizer for a super hydrated skin. Starting with the most favorite feature of my face, the brows, using a spoolie brush and a flat brush to give that nice enhanced sharp brows. Using a foundation with a beauty blender, blending it all over my face for a beautiful finish and also blending it downwards. A concealer to hide the warm tones under my eyes and around my mouth area. Highlighter never hurts, highlighting my face and blending it with beauty blender, dabbing it and blending it really well for a smooth finish natural base. Dab, dab, dab. And now a liquid blush for a glowy dewy finish. A loose powder, a translucent powder all over my face to finish the entire base. I always choose a translucent powder over a compact for a natural base. And it also locks the entire base really well. Now a little bit of sharpening with the loose powder for my cheeks with the help of the sharp sides of the beauty blender, giving a nice definition to my face. Starting with my eye makeup, I have already used a very light base for my eyelids and my crease. Now popping in some green, beautiful neon color on the inner corner of my eyes. Dab, dab, dab for the intensity. Keep dabbing a little more and blend it softly. Using a pink color, a nice neon pink color for the crease to give that nice, vibrant, colorful eye makeup look. Blending it slowly, step by step, over my crease and taking the same pink color under my eyelid with a small flat brush for a nice precision. Using a beautiful metallic aqua blue eyeshadow in the center of the eyes for a beautiful transition of colors. Dabbing it with my finger for a better finish. Now using mascara definitely to enhance my lashes. Using a nude liquid lipstick to complement this entire eye makeup look, I chose a pink color. And now adding on some fake lashes to enhance this entire look and to complete it. And wow, I must say, I am totally in love with this look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.